University and currently taking Bachelor of Science in Hospitality
Mm.
Management. And as part of our research, we would like to learn more about your experiences from your OJT. We have
Okay.
prepared questions related to your experiences. The first question po is, can you share the story of where and how you received the best trainee recognition during your internship?
No, okay. First of all, allow me to introduce you myself para medyo formal tayo ng konti. So, I'm Jasmine Therese De Jesus, but you can call me Ate Jas for short. So, since you were asking in regards with my previous internship during my college days. So, nag-internship ako with James David Parker. So, during those time kasi, kakatapos lang ng pandemic, no? So, it was very hard for us college students back then na magkaroon ng maayos na internship. So, yung pinili ko na, excuse me, na program is yung sa tingin ko best na magkakaroon ng contribution sa akin. So, um, during my internship, I was James David Parker's social media manager. So since pumutok yung pandemic, everything is done online, di ba? So we are learning through the four corners of our home. So ayun yung napili ko. So siya ay isang international conjurer sa London. Sayang nga eh kasi if hindi siguro pandemic, na-allow tayo na mag-internship doon sa ibang bansa. So, ayun, doon ako nag-internship sa kanya, kay James David Parker. So, what I did there is, of course, social media manager. So, very uh, inline siya ngayon sa industry. Actually, medyo malayo na din eh. Pero yun yung parang pinakang in demand as of the moment na work ngayon. So, ayun. Parang ang layo, di ba? Kasi I'm studying as tourism student. Pero yung kinuha kong um, internship is, ayun nga, social media managing. So, ayun.
Ano next po is, ano naman po yung sa tingin niyo po yung qualities or skills po na sa tingin niyo is nakatulong po sa inyo para makuha po yung award?
So, I think one of the skills siguro, not to brag, na meron ako is of course, yung siguro ma-manage mo yung pressure studying sa loob lang ng bahay and communicating sa tao sa ibang bansa. Kasi iba talaga yung culture niya eh. Most especially, Sir James David